So here it is. Oh, focus. Yeah, nice package. Gentle Vanity Planet Glowspin Gentle Cleansing and Exfoliating Face Brush. 2-speed spin brush gently cleanses and exfoliates. 3 specially designed brush head attachments and comes with the perfect storage case. So it has storage case. It cleanses at the same time it exfoliates. This is the one I ordered, the same color. So I'm going to open it now. There's the plastic. I bought this one in Cosmetic Capital website. It cost me $69. Here it is. And I'll open it just like this. There's an Embrace Your Beauty. And yeah, very nice package. I've decided to buy this one because as you can see, I already got a lot of pimple marks and scars. So I need to exfoliate and I need to do some proper cleansing on my face. After unboxing this one, I'm going to perform or do on how do I cleanse my face. So there's a manual here, and there's a it's a discount card, something like that. So here it is. Ta-da! So nice, very nice. I like it. Very handy. So just in case we're going to travel, so there's already a case for this baby, and it comes with 3 brushes. This one is for the daily cleansing brush. Is this one? Yeah. So this is the daily cleansing brush, exfoliating brush with the silicone brush. It's already attached to the body itself. So this is the body and the silicone brush. So this can be used for those people who have sensitive skin or face. I can use this one because as you can see, I've got a lot of breakouts lately. I've got 1 and 2 and 3, but this one's the most disgusting breakout I've ever had. Guys, according to this box, I use 2 to 3 times a week for a deeper clean. So I can use this exfoliating brush 2 to 3 times a week. And then for the daily cleansing brush, ultra soft bristles. This one, use every day for a clear complexion. So I don't know which one should I use, but probably I can use this one. So I'll just replace the silicone brush. Yeah, it's just so simple. Just do like that and then just attach, and there's a click and you can already feel. Anyways guys, on this cleansing brush, the Vanity Planet Glowspin, it doesn't include a free battery. So the battery here is, it should have 2 AA batteries. So good thing I have mine already. So here's my battery. I just do like that. It's so easy to detach it. Just do like that, and then you do like that. And you can stick into inside of it. And just like this, like that, and that. So it's all good. Oh, this is the first mode or the first setting. It, and the second mode or the second setting, which is more faster spin. So yeah, so I'm going to try this one, this brush. I'm going to show you how I cleanse first my face. I do double cleansing. The oil cleanser that I'm using is this one, Tatcha. That one, that's the oil cleanser that I'm using for now. It cost me for about $25 to $28. Mecca Maxima 1 and 2. So only 2. And then I just rub my hands together. And then if it's already warm enough, I'm going to put it on my face for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. And after this on my face, I rub it also on my lips. Yeah, I think all of my makeup is gone. After that, let's go and try this one. I'm inside the bathroom. I need to rinse first the oil that I applied on my face before I start using this one. And this one, it says that it is waterproof. So I'll just have to wet this. And I don't know how, but maybe I'll just have to do like this. So guys, I'm finished. I'm going to rinse this one because I think it's already dirty. So I'm back. I'm done with washing my face. My honest review is that this thing over here, it really cleanses my face. So the brush I'm using, I was using a while ago, was the exfoliating brush. It's good, but on the second speed, the bubbles were splashing all over my face and my hair. So the toner I'm using is this one. You can use this one with people who have a oily skin, dry skin, or combination. So guys, that's all for tonight. For me, I recommend this product. If you want more videos, just subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you in my next video. Mwah.